There is some debate about how people arrived on the islands of the Canadian Northwest, but what is certain is that possibly as far back as 13,000 years ago, a group of people inhabited these islands and developed a culture made rich by the abundance of land and sea. These people became the Haida, a linguistically distinct group with a complex class and rank system consisting of two main clans, the Eagles and Ravens. Links and diversity within the Haida Nation was gained through a cross-lineal marriage system between the clans. This system was also important for the transfer of wealth within the nation, with each clan relying on the other for the building of longhouses, the carving of totem poles, and other items of cultural importance. Noted seafarers, the Haida occupied more than 100 seasonal sites and villages throughout the islands and were skilled traders, with established trade links with their neighboring First Nations on the mainland. The Haida had a stable existence and a vibrant culture at the time of European contact. It was during the 18th century that the shores of the Haida Gwaii were visited by Western society. The first European to make contact with the natives was Spanish explorer Juan Perez in July of 1974. Later, other explorers, such as British Captain George Dixon, began trading with the Haida in 1787. Following the trading relationship established with the Europeans, the population of 15,000 plummeted to 589 by 1911. Most of the native people died from the many diseases brought from European settlers, such as smallpox. The Haida people were great warriors and boatsmen. When the Haida warriors entered battle, they wore red cedar armor and used wooden shields as well as stone maces to protect themselves. The Haida were feared along the coast because of their practice of making lightning raids against which their enemies had little defense. Their great skills of seamanship and their superior built watercrafts, capable of carrying more than 50 warriors, made them a strong force to contend with. The Haida were protected from retaliation in their island fortress, and their aggressive posture towards neighboring tribes made them a dominant force for hundreds of years. Today, the Haida are still known for their great craftsmanship in building culture, rich totem poles, boats, wooden masks, and sculptures. World-renowned artist, the late Bill Reid, created an iconic sculpture called Spirit of the Haida Gwaii that encapsulates the Aboriginal heritage of the Haida Gwaii. The sculpture can be seen on the back side of the Canadian $20 bill. You can visit Haida Gwaii today and experience an intriguing world, one of undeniable beauty.